Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like this. So for example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can add exceptions to it. It could be calls from everyone, from contacts only, from favorites only, or from no one. The same goes to messages, and there's also an option repeated calls. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.